This accident happened on the evening of June 14, 2025. An uncle was backing off his driveway to go to a baby shower party. The rain falling wouldn't give anyone a break. The oncoming car from the top of the hill, which had 3 teenagers. The driver was on a high speed without minding the blinking traffic light on the hill. They flew with speed and tried to avoid the uncle who was reversing from his parking lot. The teenagers clashed with the oncoming drivers from the right, therefore making a loud crash sound. We all ran out of the house to witness the whole situation. Thank God all 3 survived and the others survived. One was rushed to the hospital because he couldn't move. Vehicles all beyond repairs. Let's learn to respect the rules and signs of our roads and keep everyone safe.
Wait! Wait, Auntie.
Yes, my dear. Come on, hurry.
Go closer.
Yeah.
Let's get closer.
I guess they're okay. As long as they're alive, that's all that matters.
Oh,
They're going to...
the way they were saying help sounded like they were barking. Auntie, take your phone and go and look at my sister. My parents.
Man, I just don't know why these guys were speeding down this hill. Sir, inside this rain. More officers.
Mommy,
Baba.
good daddy.
Hmm? More officers coming. Like I was like drama. Wee, 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 wee. So I think we'll go inside. This rain is disturbing. Oh, the police blocked the road.
The other. Look, daddy first.
Yes, fire trucks, baby.
Real. Real.
Well, I think we'll go inside now.
But daddy first.
Wee. Going right there. Can't even see it.